baby. How do I look?
You look fine.
Eh, just fine.
I mean, overdressed for someone who's at home, if you ask me.
Okay, good. Because vele ngiyaphuma.
Uyaphuma? Where to? Shops are closing soon nowadays. So where are you going?
Who says I'm going to the shops, babe?
Manje uyangaphi?
Well, if you must know, me and the other ladies are going to sell ilokhu umsuzwane by the road.
Umsuzwane?
Yes.
Since when?
Since today, now.
Dressed like this?
Yes, what's wrong with dressing like this? Baby, I'm an entrepreneur, okay? A young entrepreneur. So I saw an opportunity and I'm taking it.
What opportunity, baby? And who are you going with?
Well, Kambalabanyo, na Sophie, Unati, na Awakiwe, and they dress like this, Nabehamba Pela.
Baby, but like this, just for Umsuzwane. And do you realize that the people you are talking of, especially Sophie, they are either divorced or married, and Sophie stays with a lot of girls, man.
What are you saying now? Just because I'm trying to do something nice here, put food on the table for us, now you're saying all this? When do I ever say all these things when you're going out there, going for your hustles, doing things, finding money? Do I say all this? Now you're saying I have loose morals and all that. And by the way, whatever Sis Sophie does in her house is not my business. Mina
Yeah, but people, I mean...
No, stop it, okay? Just stop it. Why are men like this, Phil? Just because I'm trying to make an effort.
Yeah, but baby, and okay, for how much? Maybe you are risking your life just for $1, baby. Risking
$1? Really? $1? $1? Really? It's not $1. It's like $5 a round.
$5 a round, baby. A round, baby.
No, I don't mean that round. I mean, like, into a round. That's the round I'm talking about.
So $5 a round?
Yes, $5 a round.
Like a bunch?
Like a bundle.
Like a bundle. But baby, dressed like this, babe.
I'm just trying. Lami, Bagiti.
Surely, is it really about
Okay, look at it like this. Who knows, maybe this Umsuzwane is the thing we need. We stop this pandemic.
But, baby, is it even scientifically proven?
And it's not scientifically proven either. Look at it like this. I'm also trying to put an effort into helping a government find a cure for this pandemic. No?
But dressed like this?
This is how we should dress like. It shows, a certain level of professionalism. What you can do for me is make sure it is Tebasich. And mina by 6 baby. Let me put an effort also. Huh? Right?
Okay, yeah, but
it's just on Suzanne. Mina, let me go. My clients are waiting.
Clients, baby. You already have clients 40.
I mean like customers. Customers.
Oh, okay, baby.
Okay.
But dress like this for Suzanne. Surely this coronavirus will destroy families. I'm telling you. Suzanne, $5 a round. It's a good morning to you. Welcome to Asake Online. My name is Zenze Ndebele and this is the Breakfast Club.
Hayi chance anzaye ngithole cause mina ngibefika esibhedlela bafika bangalasa mangithreatena lo ngindodo wabiyale esithi sebenza icase yami womfoso wantshela ukuthi mina mangingavumanga uqala ukuthi mina ngayenza konke ukubulala amawenzela lana ngizophiwa injection so mina injections engakwazi injections.
This guy is crazy.
Urikuthamba nini?
Yakela mntanyana, yakela. Usekutambe kudala. Le ichegama le. Zolo lokhu mfana ubuye nomunye na join into engaka.
I would love to hear, what is your thought of consent? What do you understand?
Consent is when I can actually say, yes, I can agree that we can do this together. That is what consent is, and that is what it means.
Hello and welcome to Asake Online. My name is Leslie Moyo and the name of the program is Fix My City.
And today sikhuluma ngoba sikhangela iphayili yezibi lesibona izodantshwa lapha phezulu and we are worried as residents apha nalapha eLuvuvu ukuthi kade kuhamba njani ku city council. Undantwali thulo.
Kanti wangathatha into ozigwanisayo kani?
Very sad to see that citizens had to take matters into their own hands in this way to try and obtain some relief for their starvation, because everything is being heaped on them. The 2% tax heaped on them, the price of fuel rise heaped on them with extra combi costs.